This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're ready for chapter 10. I said in the last episode that we were going to go over fundamentals, but that's going to be mostly for long-term investing. We're going to do that for our next program. So we're going to save that, the fundamentals on how to pick stocks, and stick with what we got when it comes to options. Remember the big cap stocks? Remember we have it here on the left side, Dow Jones Index, S&P, and the NASDAQ. We're going to stick with that. But I'm going to show you something else today. We're going to start with mobile trading. Now, this is very important because a lot of you do have full-time jobs. Our options group members, I would say 99% of them have full-time jobs. So they'll trade from their phone. And we said trading from your phone is probably the best thing you could do for execution. So this is going to be a step-by-step class tutorial on exactly how to set up a trade on the phone, exactly how to set up your mobile app, and exactly how to set up alerts so you don't have to stare at the screen all day. You'll just get a text message on exactly the positions or notification or both. So it's up to you. Let's go ahead and take a look at this video and I'll tell you step by step. So this is the demo. As you can see, it's delayed 20 minutes. So again, we could take a look here, positions. You start with $200,000, no biggie. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at alerts. We don't have much alerts other than the SPY. We're gonna go to quotes, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our Twitter page. This is our JR Capital Premium Options group. So again, we tweet everything entry and exit and give you updates as we go. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this Tesla put, $200 puts for $1.46, which we sent out last week. So we're gonna type in Tesla, we're gonna select Tesla, and we're gonna go to options. So we're gonna scroll down, but first of all, the 200 is gonna show, as you can see right there. I'm gonna pause it here, and you can see here, the first thing you see that it doesn't show the 200 strike. So what you wanna do is open up the strikes to all strikes that are available. So when you go to all, always choose the best exchange. And then now you'll find as low as 135. So 200, first thing we saw it, 22,444 in volume. So again, like we talked about, great volume, broke support. This would be exactly the trade we're looking for. And it's gonna expire next week. So we continue. So we're gonna click on always click on the ask. Whether you're buying puts or buying calls, always the ask. And we're gonna go ahead and put a limit order, excuse me. And we're gonna buy 25 contracts there, $2,275 is the cost. And we're gonna confirm it and paper trade it. And for simulation purposes and for educational purposes is how we're gonna do it. So you can see it's working in our working trade, and it shows now in our positions section. And you'll see exactly, but again, market's closed, so nothing's going on right now. So we look at the next one, we'll do one more. And you see that the orders is working. We're gonna go to quotes. We're gonna set up an alert here. We're gonna hold down the 90 cents to ask it. We're gonna create an alert at or above, and we're gonna put in $1.40, $1.50. So if it goes over $1.50 and you bought at 90 cents, that's a good return. That's probably about around 35%. So again, you'll get an alert then, so you don't have to stare at the screen. So we're gonna go back to our Twitter page and see exactly what's available. Those SPY puts, those expire worthless. Taking a look at the rest, we're gonna see what we could use. Nothing much more we could use. So we're gonna take a look at AMD right now. AMD is a very popular stock on the call side and the put side. So we're gonna take a look at what's available, and boom, we already see one right off the rip. The 28 calls for next week, 15,421 in volume. Looks very good. So we're gonna buy some here. Again, illustration, 50 contracts, $2,650, fake money. Go to paper trade, close. What's next? We go to quotes. And we're gonna scroll all the way down. We're gonna put an alert to, hold down. Well, we held down the percentage, but you can hold down the ask price, at or above, and we're gonna go and put a buck there. So that could jump about 30 cents, 30%. So now we have an alert, plus we have our position already open at a limit order. So even though the market's closed, it'll fill on Monday. These are the columns that you need to be having in your portfolio side. So again, you wanna have mark with the current prices, how much you're making at the open, how much you made on the day, percentage gain, how much you made year to date on your percentage, and net liquidation, how much you have. So there you go. Those are your column editors that we recommend. That's what we have right now. So we'll take a look at quotes again, go to positions, and you can see what we have open. And we're gonna go to AMD again, and we're gonna change the strikes here to 25. I recommend 25 because too many, you'll be scrolling for too long, so just have 25, a lot easier to do. So again, here's the columns that are, this is exactly what I want you to have as columns in the options chain on the app. Bid, ask, percentage, volume. That's exactly what you want to have, nothing more. And you're going to see exactly how we do it. You scroll down. If you want to see volume, you scroll to the left and you can see the volume there and the open interest right below it. Like, remember we talked about open interest, how many pizzas you make, volume is how many pizzas you sold. And that is basically it for the most part in mobile trading. And when it comes to mobile trading, again, guys, it's that simple. Just make sure you have it set, put it in there. Again, great for execution, horrendous for charting. If you notice, we did not use charts here. Charts are for the desktop or your iPad app. But TD Ameritrade is the broker we recommend for the United States members. Anyone overseas, we recommend Interactive Brokers. It doesn't have a great app like TD Ameritrade does. But again, you can still kind of do most of the same things. But again, this is a tutorial for mobile trading for TD Ameritrade, the broker we recommend. So there you go. That's our chapter 10, mobile trading. Everyone always asks exactly how do you trade on the mobile? Here you go. There's your answer here. Very, very easy stuff. They make it very simple, very user-friendly. So we'll catch you guys for chapter 11, earnings reports, the Super Bowl for every quarter. We'll catch you guys for that one.